Imagine a dish that has been passed down through generations, simmering with history and comfort in every bite, a true taste of community and tradition. It is an iconic staple of soul food, especially cherished in Harlem, bringing warmth and depth to any meal. To cook traditional Harlem soul food collard greens, you first select fresh greens, meticulously clean them, and then slowly braise them with a smoky meat like a ham hock or smoked turkey, allowing the flavors to meld into a rich, savory liquid. This low and slow cooking method is essential for tender greens and deep flavor. The magic behind authentic collard greens lies in three main elements: the greens themselves, the smoky flavor, and time. Collard greens are naturally sturdy and benefit from prolonged cooking, which breaks down their fibers and mellows their slightly bitter edge. The smoky meat infuses the greens with umami and a foundational richness, creating a complex flavor profile that defines soul food. Begin by selecting dark green, crisp collard leaves, avoiding any yellowed or wilted ones. Thoroughly wash each leaf under cold running water, scrubbing gently to remove any grit or dirt. You can either stack the leaves, roll them tightly, and slice them into 1/2 to 1 inch ribbons or tear them by hand. Next, in a large pot, brown your chosen smoked meat, such as a ham hock or smoked turkey wing, and then add finely diced onions and garlic, cooking until softened. Introduce your clean, cut greens to the pot, pour in enough chicken or vegetable broth to mostly cover them, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Season with a touch of salt, black pepper, a pinch of sugar, and a splash of apple cider vinegar, which brightens the flavors. The secret ingredient, often called pot liquor, is the flavorful broth left after the greens are cooked, which is considered a delicacy and is often soaked up with cornbread. While ham hocks are classic, many cooks now use smoked turkey for a leaner, yet equally flavorful, option. Some family recipes also incorporate a red pepper flake or a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick, showcasing the dish's adaptability. These greens should never taste overtly bitter or too watery. The goal is a tender texture and a deeply savory, slightly tangy, and wonderfully smoky essence. Ultimately, preparing traditional Harlem collard greens is a rewarding culinary journey that yields a dish full of flavor and heritage. Mastering this staple means you can bring the soulful taste of Harlem's kitchens right to your own table, offering a comforting and delicious experience that nourishes both body and spirit.